In today's practice, we're going to focus on releasing tension in the neck and shoulders. We want to strengthen the upper back, release tension in the neck. So these are the exercises that you'll be practicing today. In today's practice, we're using the long resistance band. So let's put it aside. Now sit comfortably on our chair, hands on our thighs, relax the shoulders. We can gently draw the belly towards the spine, chin parallel to the floor, and then lengthen through our crown, sitting tall and comfortable. And from here, we're going to soften our face and slowly turn our head to the right side, slowly drawing semicircle with our chin to the opposite side, gazing far. Take a deep breath as we exhale, slowly drawing semicircle with our chin, stretching the back of our neck and also relaxing the shoulders, gazing far, lengthen. Inhale and exhale one more time. Just aware that we're not dropping the head forward. Just want to have a nice stretch in the back of the neck. And take a deep breath. And as we exhale, semicircle, opposite side. Feeling the stretch in the back of the neck. Lengthen through our crown as we go to the other side. And as we exhale, return. We're not slouching, we're not sinking, feeling tall in this seated position. And the last time here, gazing far, take a deep breath and exhale, slowly coming back. Next, we're going to work on spinal articulation. So we're going to sit tall first in neutral position, and then from here we're going to exhale and round our spine to the C curve. In the long C curve, spinal flexion, and slowly coming back to neutral. And gently lifting the chest up, stretching the neck and face up without stressing the back of our neck. And as we exhale, go into our long C curve in spinal flexion. Do not squeeze the shoulders. Take a deep breath. Slowly lifting the chest and keep breathing, stretching the neck and face up. Take a deep breath here as we exhale, going back into spinal flexion, opening up the back, releasing tension in the lower back, and gently come back, lifting the chest up, face up, spine extension, and exhale, going back into our long C curve, creating more space, and from here, slowly back to spine extension, expanding, and last time exhale into a long C curve and slowly come back. And from here we're going to go into our W hands, relax the shoulders, okay, so do not squeeze the shoulder blades. And as we exhale, we're going to extend the arms, keeping the shoulders away from our ears, targeting the upper back. W hands, and exhale, we're going to capital T hands, reaching away. So inhale. As we exhale, we're going to go a little bit higher than just now, but make sure the shoulders away from your ears. Inhale and exhale to our letter V. Everyone's different, so if you have a tight upper back, your V may be wider, okay? Now, do not squeeze the shoulders just to bring the arms up higher. You want to avoid this. We want to have space in the neck and shoulders. As we exhale, lengthen. All right, so we're targeting the upper back, drawing the shoulder blades down towards the lower back. Inhale, exhale to capital T. Inhale and exhale. You can also point the fingers down and relax. And next, let's explore using the resistance band. So you can place it under your thighs in this position. Just make sure both sides balance. You want to just make some adjustment so that when you pull the band, they are balanced. Okay, using your thumb to grip and your palms reaching out, reaching forward. Inhale. As we exhale, extend. If only comfortable, you go to the letter V. I call this the V hands. So this depends on the resistance, okay, level of the band. If it's really tight, you want to avoid doing that. So I'm using a very light resistance band. Inhale and exhale, relax. And from here, we're going to remove the band and slowly we're going to just hold it this way, placing the band on our palm. So our elbows flex 90 degrees, and as we exhale, we're going to pull the band away. And as we exhale, just do not squeeze the shoulders as you pull that band. So not too strong. You want to engage the core muscles and not squeeze the shoulder blades. So sitting tall, inhale, exhale, expanding away, inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to draw the belly towards your spine, lengthen the spine, inhale, slowly return, prepare, inhale, as we exhale, gently lift the left foot up without slouching, and slowly return, and as we exhale, we're going to extend our right foot, pointing the toes up, stretching the hamstring and the back without leaning back. Inhale, exhale, slowly extending, draw the belly towards the spine. You're going to feel it more in the deep core muscles. And exhale, right foot up, return, inhale, and exhale, relax. And from here, we're going to lift the left hand up and gently stretch to the right side, opening up the left side of the body. Return, still sitting tall, lift the left hand up and exhale and stretch to the side. Notice the shoulders are away from the ears, so we're not squeezing the shoulders. So continue to stretch the spine. Inhale. As we exhale, we're going to stretch to the right side, keeping the left sit bone down. Inhale, center, and exhale, opposite side, not squeezing the shoulders. Feel the stretch in the back and relax. Gently rotate to the right side, placing one hand on the chair and the other hand on the thighs, and switch side. Notice I'm still sitting very tall to keep the spine lengthened. Inhale and exhale, relax. Thank you for joining me today. So today's practice is to show you that you could actually just stretch even you're sitting down at your workspace, and I'd like to recommend you to watch the next video. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next practice.